In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a website from your LinkedIn profile. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step you want to take is to go to your profile. You can easily do this by clicking on your profile picture or your name, which you'll find on the left-hand side of the LinkedIn homepage. Alternatively, you can also click on the Me icon located at the top of the page to navigate directly to your profile. Once you're on your profile page, the next step is to open your contact info. Look for the contact info link in the introduction section of your profile. This section is usually just underneath your profile picture and includes details like your location and follower count. Now that you've opened the contact info pop-up window, it's time to enter edit mode. In this window, you'll see a pencil icon. Go ahead and click on that. This allows you to change and edit your information easily. As an alternative, if for some reason you don't see the pop-up, you can also find a pencil icon located on the far right of your profile introduction. Clicking this will take you to the same editing options. Once you're in the editing section, scroll down to the bottom of the menu where you'll find Edit Contact Info. Next, you'll want to focus on removing the website. In the Contact Info window, locate the specific website URL that you want to delete. Next to the URL, you should see a Remove button. Go ahead and click that button to initiate the removal process. This step will clear the website from your profile, ensuring it no longer appears. Now that you've removed the website, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the window. Clicking this will confirm the removal of the website and ensure that your LinkedIn profile is up to date. And that's it. You've successfully removed a website from your LinkedIn profile. Keeping your profile accurate and up to date is crucial, especially as you network and make new connections. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your connections, and subscribe for more useful content. LinkedIn can be an incredible tool for professional growth, so make sure your profile reflects your current status and interests accurately. Thanks for watching, and happy networking.